Hey guys, welcome back, or welcome if you're new. So today's video is going to be a quick IKEA hack. This is the Latt kit table. Hopefully I'm pronouncing that correctly, but when I got it, it was around $29.99 for the table and the 2 chairs. Currently we're looking at $40. We all know yesterday's price is not today's price, but I still think that's a pretty good deal. And this right here is from last year. This is a project a year in the making. I decided right before a couple of days of Christmas I wanted to remake this table for the boys, so I wanted to take the time to break it apart, to get all through the cracks and crevices, to clean it really nicely before I go out there and paint it. Once it was done being clean and dry, it's time to take it outside and spray paint it. I'll be sure to link down the spray paint that I'm using. It is an all-in-one. I really like it. And I did it in a satin finish. I wanted just to add a little shine to it. And I think it turned out well. I repeat the same step for the other side once it's dry. Next, it was time to put it together. I was too tired to do it, so luckily for me, I have husband Michael and Michael to do it for me. And just like that, you're done. The table is painted. You can just go ahead and enjoy it as is. But I wanted to go an extra step by creating some cushions for the chairs. I have seen this done so many different ways. Some people have even painted like patterns on the seat, which I think are so cute. They have used staples to kind of staple fabric with some cushions. You know, a variety of different ways, but I wanted to try to sew some cushions where if I wanted to change them for different holidays, I would be able to. So I did make cushions last year. They weren't the best, but this year I feel like they're so much better. And I'm going to go ahead and show you. Fast forward to this year, you guys, I'm working on cushions to go with the theme of our Christmas tree this year, which is like the candy cane. And that is my mommy, you guys. Well, those are her hands. That's all you're going to see. But she was so helpful. She was able to create this pattern. I don't know how she came up with the measurements. Just kind of giving her the cushion, she was able to do this. So that way it gave me enough space to create the ties that I'm going to use as well. All right, so now it's time to start sewing, and I'm not very good at it, but I can do just enough to make it work. If anybody knows how to add a zipper to it, that's what I would really love to do, is add a zipper, so that way when I want to change it out, all I have to do is unzip and remove the cushion. Please let me know. I really want to learn how to do that, but this is what I can do for right now, and I think it turned out well. My last step is to hand stitch it, so that way when I'm ready to change out the covers, it's easy for me to do so. And this is the final look. I really like it. It just ties perfectly with the theme. You see what I did there? Tie perfectly. But if you like this video, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know your thoughts. And if you're new, don't forget to click that subscribe button on your way out. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.